Daddy.
Esa guagua no pesa. To have it on part too. You know, isn't it good supposedly to have better handling on your turbo?
Oh, better handling on what?
When you don't have power steering because it helps handle something.
Well, they have I think they have adjustable. Do they have adjustable sway arms? Wonder. Does that even exist?
Yeah.
Adjustable sway arms.
They only have the ones that you could adjust the holes. So you can make it stiffer or not. The H&R ones.
It's the sway, right? The sway bar.
Sway bar.
That is adjustable.
Yeah.
Ah, so it does exist.
Remember we did that on the Camry.
Camry. Oh, the links. Those were the links, no?
You cannot adjust,
links.
You cannot adjust the sway bar.
Daddy, take cheese.
Why did you decide to do right-hand drive?
Why? I mean, it first started as a 6-speed swap project. I was supposed to do the wire tuck, bay, and a 6-speed swap. That was the original plan. Then somebody tagged me in a right-hand drive clip on eBay. The car was already apart. The dash was out, the engine was out, the whole engine harness was out. Everything was out. So I'm like, oh, this is the perfect time to do this. You know, if the car is apart, might as well just do the right-hand drive. And it was like perfect timing. I didn't even think about it. I just poof, went ahead and bought it. $900. A week later, boom, I had the right-hand drive right here. And everything seems like it worked. So I'm like, all right, cool, let's do it. Hit up Roger. Roger said he could do the job. Took it to him. Now, he had the car for like over a year, unfortunately. But I got it back, and this year I'm actually putting in work, trying to get this done. At least this year. My plan is to get this car running this year. It won't be 100% done, but it will be running by this year.
Any month you want to put a go to it?
I don't know. I'm too busy to even have a time frame. I don't know. Just working on other people's car, working on Becky at the same time. You know, I'm taking my time, you know, making sure that I do everything right, you know. And at the same time, I'm using this as a learning experience because it's my first time ever doing this to a car, any car. So, might as well be my own car, you know.
Yeah.
So, I kind of sort of regret it. At the same time, I don't, because I'm learning a lot. This is a learning experience. Yeah, I'm already here. I might as well just finish it, you know what I'm saying? Might as well. Okay, I couldn't help it. I had to finish installing the dash 100%. It's very late. Decided to just give it extra hours just to install all the paneling. But this is just the beginning. I have to tuck all that stuff away. I have to tuck all of that. Connect all those plugs. But I'm just happy to see the dash installed in the car. Ah, finally. Oh my god. The dash is on?
It wasn't. That's right. Yeah.
Oh, look at that! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! Let me turn the key. Oh my god, let's see. Oh, ching chong ching. Alright. Welcome. Oh my god, look at this! We got power! We got power! Oh, Christmas tree, but whatever. Oh! Does the window go up? Ah! Ah, that one doesn't go up. Ah, only this one goes up. What's up? Oh, a lot. Sorry about that. So we got the music works. AC should be on. How do you turn this on or is off? You see the fans turns on. Everything works. I was able to figure all that out. Let me swap the camera. All right, so here we have the fuse box for the engine bay. I'm going to be installing this inside the glove box. So it's a mess of wires now, but I will have to clean up all these wires, extend whatever I have to extend to the outside, and mount that in there. So that will be done. That will be that. Same thing as here. And now we try and figure out which one is the sub harness, the motor harness. So here we have all the old stuff. Let's see what's what. All right, this one seems like this. I think this is it. Yeah, see, I had labeled everything. So this is the 6-speed, the 𝐥𝐤 one. Ah, look at that.
This is for the drive-by-wire. Plug this right here. It's good with that plug inside too.
Oh yeah, the dash harness está aquí también from the I think this is the original one. This is the original dash harness. So right there.
You got to plug it into the drive-by-wire box in the corner.
Oh, okay.
Because this comes from the engine bay.
Gotcha.
Now that's kind of weird. Has to wait. That one is. This is the one for the other plug that I showed you that has the 13 wires.
Yeah.
This is good. This one. You might have to move some wires. You might have to use Change the wire, the plug out. This is how it's gonna plug in because it doesn't go in.
Mm.
And this one is over here.
Alright guys, so I want to introduce my boy Lenny. He has a original right-hand drive Accord Euro R. Look at this. Nice. Look at this. Nice. Nice. Got the referral seats. This is nice. So yeah, this is the Accord Euro R.